Crude oil and net gas has seen a sharp drop yesterday from first retracing close to 77, and then in fact it has breached the support at 74. We have seen it moving towards 73.7, 73.8 levels, while net gas has breached the previous lows at 2.04, and in fact it has seen a slightly lower low at 2.035. What does this mean? Can we expect oil and gas to continue trading bearish and crash more, or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy trading crude oil and net gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First update for the day, next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Thus, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Do like, share, and comment. Do press the bell icon and join the channel memberships to get additional benefits. Press the join button. Let's start. First, we'll look into US crude, followed with net. Now, if you look at the formation on oil, see, just connect this, and lower highs, lower lows are being formed. And the bottom of the channel somewhere here at 73.4, 73.6, and the top at 76.5. Now, as long as oil stays in between these, we have to be watchful. Now, if you look at the momentum right now, after the drop, it has retraced, it is again looking downwards. If you see oil trading above 74.5, we can initiate a buying entry for 75, 75.5 zone. Now 75, 75.5 was the resistance earlier, is now going to be the support. Was the support earlier, is now going to be the resistance. Stochastic dropped and it is bearish. MACD is trying to converge, and a crossover here can lead to a little rise. RSI is flat. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, after the drop, it is showing a retracement. Thus, if it trades beyond 74.5, we can look forward to a further rise towards 75, 75.5 zone, which is going to be a great resistance. Stochastic rising from the oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI sitting at the bottom. Coming to 3 hour chart, similar is the observation on the 3 hour charts. Look at this candle. See, it has tried to reverse, and then a sharper pullback was seen with the data, and then now it is trying to retrace. Also possibility, see, it can reverse completely because first bullish candle and then second bullish candle may appear, where it can in fact try to move towards 75, 75.5 zone. Look at the moving averages crossing over here, trading with divergence. This is a sign of bearishness. The stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom. Coming to 4 hour chart, one must look at the 4 hour chart. See, this candle is a sign of reversal coming after a sharper drop. Higher lows are seen. We have to just in fact wait for it to break beyond 74.3, where you can look forward to 74.6, and then we can move towards 75, 75.5 as a greater resistance. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI hitting the bottom. Coming to the daily. Now, on the daily charts, one must note that oil is trading in this channel. The way the bottom of the channel, $73 levels, is the support here. And if you look at 73 is also a good pivot level here. We have to be careful for the day. If it may find a support here at around 72.8, $73 levels. If at all, it drops towards those levels. Now, what should be our expectation? What is going to be our strategy? Before I give the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 29th mentorship batch. Bookings are open now. Register yourself now. 28th batch commences this week itself. Also, you can be part of my signals channel, trading as per the signals you can benefit, where we trade diverse instruments, commodities, currencies, indices as well. Currencies we don't know. And yes, you can join the free Telegram channel for live updates of the markets and be a part of the platform forexfunda.com, where you get the economic calendar, the live charts, the community of traders, and you can book a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. Visit the platform Forex Funda. Now, on the daily charts, one must note the moving averages crossing over here. This is the 20 and 50 period crossover. Also, oil has been trading in this channel. Also, oil has just given a breakout few days back. Now, considering these all factors, it is still to be treated bullish. As long as, I will say, 73, 72 zone is respected, we should not be treating oil for a reversal. That is very, very clear. Now, see, two bigger bearish candles, increasing body size is seen. Third candle can be there, but I will wait for it to see 73.4, 73.6 is the very good support zone, and below that 73, 72.8. These are the two zones which oil has to break. If it breaks below this zone, then we can expect that it is going to go closer towards $72 levels. Else, I will be looking forward to a pullback from any of these levels. 73.4, 73.6 should be a very, very good support, or 73, 72.8 at worst case should be again a very good support. A reversal from these levels, what to be expected? See, a potential buying entry can be taken at 74.3, but then wait for 74.5, 74.6 levels to be breached, first resistance zone. And if it trades above 74.6, we can look forward to 75, 75.5 zone, the strongest resistance. Now, oil beyond 75.5, 75 zone is a proper reversal confirmation where we can again look forward to 76.5 levels on the upside, which is going to be the next resistance. Thus, take your positions accordingly. Downside 72, 73. Be careful of this zone. Again, potentially next week we may see a reversal, or today itself it can reverse. Thus, we have to watch out more closely at around 72, 73. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at net. See, net gas yesterday has achieved further lows here and it has moved towards 2.035 levels before retracing here. It is still not showing any signs of reversal, though the bottom could be somewhere here nearby, but it is still not showing any sign. Moving averages again trading with divergence and it is still trading bearish. Stochastic has come to overbought. MACD trying to converge after the bearish move. A crossover here can lead to further rise. RSI has come out of the oversold zone as well. Coming to 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts, prices moving averages are still trading divergent and bearish, and it is still creating lower lows, lower lows, lower highs. It has to stay above 2.1517 zone in order to confirm the reversal here. Stochastic rising, MACD is trying to converge, crossover for buys. RSI is still looking upwards. Coming to 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour chart, see the rise is modest, the sharp is fall, the fall is sharp. Yes, also it is forming higher lows, lower lows, and it has to break now above 2.1 levels in order to confirm further rise. Now 2.1 first resistance, 2.1517 the next resistance on the upside. Stochastic rising from the oversold, MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI is flat here. Coming to 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see after the drop, it is shown a reversal sign. First bullish candle, I will expect a second bullish candle as well. Thus, in fact, if you see a gas about 2.08, you can buy, but then wait for it to break first beyond 2.1 and 2.12, and then 2.15, 2.17. These are the four, or 2.1517 is a greater resistance zone. If it breaks beyond this, certainly you can treat net gas for a reversal and a stronger rise or bullish momentum can prevail. Moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness. Stochastic is oversold, trying to recover. MACD is trying to converge crossover. It has not yet crossed over. Remember this fact. RSI is flat. Coming to the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts. Lower lows beautifully aligned here, and 2.03 should be the next lows if it continues to trade bearish from the current levels. Though reversal sign lower lows, a possibility of a recovery will be very high. Thus, if you see it trading about 2.08, we can initiate a buying position. Stochastic is still rising. The MACD is bearish. It should converge. It is not showing any signs of convergence. RSI is flat. Thus, buy at 2.08. Expect 2.1, 2.12 as the next resistance zone. 2.1517, then the second resistance zone. Any move above 2.17 should be a bullish indication towards 2.2, 2.25 levels. On the downside, a selling entry can be taken here at 2.04 levels, below which further bearishness 2.02 and then $2 levels will be breached. We have to watch out more carefully. In fact, 2.03 you can sell, but then we have to be careful till $2 levels are not taken. Below $2 levels is where the bears will take over. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Watch that update as well. Thank you.